Hi folks, it's Matt with Storm and Rail Fan 96. This is System Test 11. Today's Memorial Day. I thought I would go ahead and do a video of my fire alarm system. Nothing much has changed. Starting here in my garage. I got my formerly addressable pulse T-bar here, 4099-9001. Chime strobe, except today's test I have it set for something a little different. I think you guys will like it. And also today in this video is going to do a little siren test as well. So we're going to go ahead and get started here. So as you can see, I set the chime strobe to slow whoop. It's actually very, very loud. It's the loudest tone that chime strobe has to offer. So I'm going to go upstairs. I'm going to activate a pulse station I haven't done in quite some time. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, we're up in my room. I haven't done my dual action T-bar in a while, and I feel like doing it for this test. So let's go ahead and do it. Alright, there you go. So alarm in zone 1 and zone 2. Let's go and reset these pulse stations before I reset the panel. Alright. So, since we're at it here. So this is a formerly addressable pulse station 4099-9001. When I got this, the addressable module wasn't in there. My friend had taken it out, so it's just been conventional all these years. But that is the model number of that pulse station. We got audible silence in the garage still. Let's go downstairs, reset the panel, and do a siren test. Yeah, just for a note, that chime strobe, that whoop, is very loud. Very, very loud. I didn't expect that chime strobe to be so loud, but it is. I like it. Alright, folks. So that'll be the Memorial Day fire alarm test. Stay tuned for the siren test. Alright guys, well that's going to wrap up our Memorial Day special. I want to thank you guys for watching. But I also want to thank the brave men and women who are in the armed forces of our country. I just want to thank you guys for serving our country and always keeping it safe and ensuring our freedom here in our country. And some people don't even know what Memorial Day is, and that's just time to remember those who have lost their lives to protect our country. So to all the armed forces, I want to thank you for your service to this country. This is Matt Donner with Storm and Rail Fan 96, signing off. Thanks for watching the Memorial Day special, and stay tuned for more videos. Take care.